Hey guys, I need your help. Before we get into today's video, I'm going to ask you for a big favor. It's not so much for me as it is for the viewers. You see, YouTube has changed their policy again, and even small channels like me that aren't monetized, they're going to start running ads. And I have absolutely no control. If you guys will help me to get over 1,000 subscribers, then I get another part of the channel dashboard that allows me to pick what kind of ads, like political ads. Who the heck wants political ads? Well, I can stop that. Right now I can't. I have absolutely no control. And I don't like to see ads in the middle of the videos. Right now, YouTube makes that mandatory. You have to physically go in and turn them off so that nothing shows during the middle of your video. Well, I don't have that control either. So to make my channel better for you, please help me get over 1,000 subscribers. Now, I can see some statistics, and only about 10% of the people that watch my videos subscribe. So if you would please just hit that subscribe button and the bell. That'll help me get to where I can control the ads that are seen. Now, I don't make my living at this. I'm not ever going to make any money at it. It gives me something to do that I like to do. So help me out before my wife decides to give me something to do that I don't want to do. Well, on with the video. Found a really good way to remove rust. Good morning, guys. I'm back here in the cleanup area of my shop, and frankly, the lighting's pretty bad back here, so I'm trying to do the best I can with what I have. A while back, I bought another antique Camelback drill press, and it came with lots of drills. They're all kind of rusty from sitting out in the air for so long, and I want to try to clean them up. I could get some WD-40 and some Scotch-Brite and get after them, but as you get older, your hands cramp up a little bit, so I'm trying to use my ultrasonic cleaner for this. I've looked around looking for different chemicals to put in one, and I found a product made by Branson, and it's formulated for rust. They make them also for cleaning motherboards and things like that. So I bought a gallon of it. It's like $65. And that 1 gallon will make 16 gallons of fluid. My ultrasonic will hold about 3 gallons at a time. So I'm going to put a little bit in there, heat the water up, and we'll give it a shot. Now, I'm using regular well water. It doesn't have any chlorine or anything in it, and it's just been run through a water softener. This COVID distilled water's hard to get sometimes, so I'm just going to give it a shot with this, and if we need to, we'll try it with the other. Now, get out my glasses to read the panel on this thing. When your eyes going away and your fingers not working so good anymore, it's hell getting old. Well, I need to stop. Drain all of that out. Because just realized I don't have any way of metering the water going in there. So I'm going to have to find me a gallon jug and do it that way. We're going to do this scientifically. Found a paint measuring bucket so we can do it correctly. Boy, I need a haircut. My beard, this COVID's not doing great things for my looks. Alrighty. Ain't cell phones great? Makes you proud you live this long. I need 8 ounces per 128 ounces of water. All right. That is 2 gallons of agua. And then let's go for 16 ounces or 1 pint. This stuff. I'm going to try this with that other light on so you guys can see a little bit better. It's about an hour later and I've already had Thanksgiving dinner. It's really good. So, came back to look at this. Got the temperature up to 61 degrees Celsius. It's kind of a murky looking water. And I'm going to just put a few little pieces in there first. This is an arbor. Don't really want to touch it. There we go. And here's the drill bit. Frankly, here's I'm not going to put that one in. It's got a lot of oil on it. So let's go over here. Oh, what the heck. Let's put another one in. Alright. Now this is where it's probably going to get a little bit of audio problems, maybe even camera problems. I'll turn it on. I don't see a whole bunch of activity on the surface. Let's turn it on and see what we can do. We're going to set it for 40 minutes. Does it drop the temperature back down to 56 degrees? Water's getting a little rust-colored tint to it. Okay, that's at 5-minute mark. Now we can pull the whole basket up and look at it. I am seeing places coming clean. But I need to have some oil ready. These come out of here. Well, That's a little bit of positive results there. This would be at 31 minutes. It's doing a very nice job. That and a little brass brush would do completely get it out. All right, let's see what it looks like this time. Just as a comparison, that's what some of these things look like two hours ago. Now, I think I could take a wire brush and take care of that pretty quick. Before I go, I wanted to show you how I protect all these tools like this. Personally, the best stuff I've ever found is this bow shield. It was made by Boeing, or developed by Boeing, and it's called T9. You can get it just about anywhere. Woodworking stores have it, Amazon, whatever. But these are the two drills that we just got out of the rust bath. I went over them with a small wire brush. This is what it looked like when it came out. This is what it looks like after just 2 minutes with a wire brush. But I like to keep it that way, so what I usually do is gang up a bunch of tools on a rag, because this stuff's not cheap. And I do a light spray over them. That's all there is to it. That'll dry on there and make a nice protective coating. But by doing it on the rag, you know, once you're, just don't take a lot of on there. Now I've got a rag that's got bow shield on it, and instead of wasting it, I can just wipe it on there. There we go. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.